Let's look at a key difference in the serve. In blue is Marcos Giron, a top 50 player in the world and part of the FCT Pro Library. Notice how he stays compact as he coils. His arm remains close to his body, and his shoulders and hips turn together, creating a connected and powerful loading position. As he moves into the trophy position, everything stays organized and seamless. His body is loaded and ready to drive upward. Now compare that to the player in red. His arm gets farther away from his body, which disconnects the kinetic chain. As a result, he loads later and opens his chest too early. Watch the finish. Marcos drives up, out, and over the ball with full body explosion. The player in red loses that upward drive, making it harder to generate the same power, balance, and consistency. Want to see how your serve compares? Download the Full Court Tennis app and compare your strokes side by side with top pros like Marcos Giron in the FCT Pro Library.